A single mother whose house was ravaged during Hurricane Melissa was gifted a home through MP Dr. Dayton Campbell's Adopt a Family initiative. The initiative was launched recently in Betheltown and will see at least 39 more Hurricane Melissa victims benefiting. Kimberly Petty has the details.
And I pray, just the way I get help, the rest that is homeless get help same way.
A selfless Kadeen Reed, moments after she received the key to her new home, which she shares with her 3 children. Reed is the first to benefit from the Adopt a Family initiative, which is a brainchild of Member of Parliament for Eastern Westmoreland, Dr. Dayton Campbell. Speaking at the launch of the program, Dr. Campbell explained that the idea was birthed after Hurricane Melissa. He recalled when the trajectory of the hurricane shifted last minute and made landfall in his constituency.
Coming out of that, we decided that we're going to start what we call the Adopt a Family initiative, because we wanted those people who were benevolent out of the kindness of their heart and wanted to give something. We wanted to streamline that process so we could match them with persons that are in need so that the benefit could go to them.
Dr. Campbell highlighted that in order to restore hope to families in his constituency, he partnered with Reverend Dr. Paul Blake and got container homes delivered. But as they began to think of a permanent solution, the Adopt a Family initiative came to mind. Mayor of Savannah Lamar and Councillor for the Betheltown Division, Dan Reed-Delancey, lauded Dr. Campbell.
And I really and truly have to pay respect to MP Dr. Dayton Campbell for this initiative.
The 3-bedroom structure, he said, was constructed using durable and sustainable materials to include foam concrete, a cost-effective and resilient building solution which is particularly suited for disaster-prone areas.
We want to try as best as possible to use local talent. So it's a newer technology, but it is passed by the Bureau of Standards, so you don't have to worry about the quality of it. It is a technology that is approved by the Bureau of Standards. But we want to get the builders in the constituency to be a part of the program, so that when we are finished this, they now have that skill set that they can go there and do this and do it competently.
In the meantime, Dr. Campbell says that persons who wish to donate to the cause can do so. He also thanked international and local donors who've turned his idea into a reality. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It's now time for the Business Minute.
Credit ratings agency Fitch has removed the negative ratings watch on National Commercial Bank Jamaica. The agency says while slower economic activity and higher loan risks are expected, NCB's strong position in Jamaica's banking sector supports its current rating. Fitch notes that NCB controls about 35% of commercial banking assets and 31% of deposits. Fitch says the bank maintains a BB- rating, while parent company NCB Financial Group holds a B+ rating, both below investment grade. Further afield, oil prices eclipsed $100 per barrel for the first time in more than 3.5 years on Sunday, as the Iran war hinders production and shipping in the Middle East. The price for a barrel of Brent crude, the international standard, was at $107.97 after trading resumed on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, up 16.5% from its Friday closing of $92.69. West Texas Intermediate, the light sweet crude oil produced in the United States, was selling for about $106.22 per barrel. That's 16.9% higher than it closed Friday at $90.90. Both could rise or fall as market trading continued. Now, the increases followed the US crude price jumping by 36% and Brent crude rising by 28% last week. Oil prices have surged as the war, now in its second week, ensnared countries and places that are critical to the production and movement of oil and gas from the Persian Gulf. For the Business Minute, I'm Shane Masters.
Thank you, Ashane. Time now for the top regional and international stories.
In the region, Britain's King Charles says Commonwealth Day is being observed at a time of global challenges, including conflict and climate change, but also great possibility. In a message marking the day, the King said the 56-nation Commonwealth is united by shared values of democracy, justice, and mutual respect. He also looked ahead to the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting set for Antigua and Barbuda in November. Commonwealth Secretary General Shirley Botchway said the grouping remains strong through partnership and cooperation among its member states. And on the international scene, the US military has carried out another strike on a suspected drug trafficking boat in the Eastern Pacific Ocean. US Southern Command says Sunday's operation left 6 people dead. Officials report that the vessel was traveling along a known drug smuggling route in the region and was believed to be involved in a narcotics operation. The United States says it has conducted dozens of similar strikes in the Caribbean Sea and Eastern Pacific since last September, with at least 157 people killed. And those were the top regional and international stories.
We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report. Thanks, Ricardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Aaliyah Bryant. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.